All right, in this example, we're going to look at finding the equation of the form from a graph based on this transformation from f to g. So what did I do to f to get to g? So in order to do that, we're going to start with g of x, because that's what our answer needs to be in, equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to find our vertex of g, which is right there at negative 5 and 4. So we're going to plug in negative 5 here, and then 4 here. All right, so we're going to get a times x minus a negative 5 squared plus 4. Cleaning that up, this turns into a big old plus sign, so we get x plus 5, quantity squared plus 4. We still don't know what a is, so we're going to leave it there, and then we have g of x. So this is the first way that I'm going to show you how to do this. We're going to take a point here, negative 6 and 5, and plug it in. This is going to be x, and this is going to be g of x. So we're going to plug in 5 here, and then negative 6 here. So we get equals a times negative 6 plus 5 squared plus 4. Negative 6 plus 5 is negative 1. We're going to square it. We're going to get 1, bring down the a. And then I still have the plus 4, and then the 5 equals. Now we're going to solve for a, so I'm going to minus 4 to both sides. So then 1a is equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is 1, and then all we have left over here is 1a. So a is 1. So g of x is equal to 1 times x plus 5 squared plus 4. Now how can I do that for my graph instead of doing all this work? I can easily do it for my graph. I follow, how do I go from this point to this point? Okay, so I basically go over, okay, and then up. Okay, let's check the spread first. So here's my first good point to this good point. It's 2, so that's the first one. How far did I go up to get there? I went up 1, so that means that a is 1. Okay, let's check down here for this one. Here, the first two good points, the spread is 2, and then if you go up 1 from the vertex, so that is your a value.